Hey guys, Mr. Nichols here. Hopefully you guys all had a fantastic weekend. You guys are doing well. I got my trusty sidekick Trevor the Triceratops here with me to help share with you guys the lower tech, kind of simplified way that you could submit your answers for our digital quiz here today. So you could just simply record a video of yourself with your camera on your phone. That would be totally fine with me. So what you could do is you could just verbally talk through most of the questions, or the answers to the questions I should say, and then you would just need to draw out a sample gel for question 4. So I'm just going to use a sheet of paper to show you guys what that could look like right here. So I'm going to just really quickly draw out my gel. Okay, so remember you'll need your 5 wells. And again, this doesn't need to be perfect. I know I've never been an artist, so I will never expect you guys to be. But I would ask that you label each of your wells. And I do need to be able to see it relatively clearly. So if it takes you guys some time to troubleshoot so you guys can see that a little bit better. Okay, now let me lift up my sunglasses so I can see that you can see it. And there you go. So you can see our 5 wells there in our gel. So what I'm going to ask that you guys do is you make a series of bands to show what your DNA gel would look like. So you've got... And I'm just going to kind of randomly place these here, which you guys are always welcome to do. Now again, the trick is going to be to show which suspect's DNA was found at the crime scene. It needs to match the DNA profile for the suspect. And if you look there, let's see if there we go. So one thing that I'm actually doing to kind of help make sure that it's in frame is notice how I put the gel in the upper left corner. Now I'm doing this outside. You could probably do it inside, but I'm putting the corner in the upper corner of the frame of the video that I'm recording, so that way I can make sure that it's visible. So I'd recommend doing that. So something as simple as this would be totally fine, so that way you guys can share your DNA results from your DNA profile that you made. And again, you would just need to verbally explain why the crime scene evidence matches one of the suspects and why we can presume that they were present at the crime scene. So make sure that you answer all of the questions in detail. If you need any help, don't hesitate to contact me by email. If you're struggling through any of the questions, remember you can go back to the discussion that we did earlier this week, and you can use that to help you out. So hopefully you guys are doing awesome. I'm sure you guys will crush this, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Keep it real, y'all. Bye.